Is how I bypass the AI humanized content. There are two ways. One, I've been using the AI SEO agent tool, which is called Arvo, and I have automated my complete blog. I'm just going to show you what to do later in this video about this tool. But yeah, if you want me to automate your blog, what you can do, there will be a link in the description. You can book a free call with me. By the way, I'm sorry, I'm using the boss. So you can book a free one-on-one session with me to help you automate SEO blog articles completely for free. I'm not going to charge you anything. The link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. So all I'm going to do is I went to one of the Google article and I just gave the information to it. So take this information, give me a custom instruction following the information to give in my AI SEO writing software. So I have given the information which developers.google.com written for bloggers how their article should be. So I've taken this and it went on producing me the custom instructions for AI SEO writing. So how the persona and tone should be for expert, practitioner, and content strategy, how the helpful framework should be, and EEAT. Pause this video and take a screenshot if you want to read, or I'll put all this in a document and give you the link in the description. And then how the structure standard should be to satisfy the reader, and then negative constraints, what to avoid when writing AI SEO article. So all these AI chatbots, with untrained, it does a lot of keyword stuffing and circular content, theme aggression, and also excessive automation signifiers, which is ensuring the writing does not sound so robotic or repetitive. So I went on and played with it a little bit to get a clear 100 to 200 words customization, and we have got the exact prompt which I was looking for. Now you can take this and put it in any LLM, even the Gemini, even the ChatGPT, even the Claude. Give this information and it will do that for you. But if you don't want to do this every single time, what you can do is sign up to your software or AI SEO Writer. The link will be in the description. You'll get a free, have to use the credit card. What you can do is you can automate your blog, and you can also customize and add your own knowledge base. Now, I have talked about this tool in my previous video, link in the description. So what I can do is go into the overview, and here what you can do is click on SEO article and input a keyword, click on add keyword, and here it will take you into the waiting list where you can get all the articles. So if I click on view all, and you can see the inputs, so let's just wait. So it will take you into the waiting list, and here you want to click on edit input. And once you click on edit input, go into the content, scroll down a little bit, click on show advanced options, and here you give a custom instructions what the Gemini can produce to write. It has a 100% humanized content, but yeah, sometimes these LLM chat models cannot be 100% sure, 100% correct. So you expect a 99% accuracy of the AI influence content. So this is how you bypass AI detectors, making AI text sound more human and rank your AI SEO blog articles. By the way, book a call and I will show you, I'll set you up the automation for completely free.